G'day guys, today's video is going to be a fridge clean with me before I do my grocery haul for a family of 4, and I'm going to share some organising and cleaning tips that I'm doing while I'm organising the fridge. So let's get into it. So first off, let's have a look at the fridge. It gets pretty bare at the start before I get a grocery haul. We get one once a week, so we try and use through everything before we get our next one. The items in the door though do tend to stay. So what I'm going to start off doing first is just cleaning shelf by shelf, and what you'll notice here is I had to keep stopping because obviously I've got the door open in the fridge, so I kept shutting it, then having a little break and then going again. So what I use to clean the fridge is Morning Fresh, just to spray this with some water and then a cloth, and then I used another microfiber cloth as like a drying cloth, and you'll actually notice halfway through it was so dirty I had to change the water and both of those cloths before I did the second half of the fridge.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass.
So what you're going to see here is I cleaned the fridge before the groceries came, and then after I had all my new groceries in, I began labeling it. I'll go into more detail at the end of the video where I talk about how I did that and why I went with that organizing system. There's a lot of different organizing systems that I've seen out there. I'm going to give this one a try first. I just think it's simple and inexpensive. My goal with organising the fridge is that I don't want food to get lost. You know those containers that get stuck at the back of the fridge with a few leftovers in, and then you don't realise, and then it's a few days later and you're like, oh no, like we can't eat that now. So I just want to have a section that's got leftover meals and, you know, snacks for the kids, so that when we go open the fridge, there's the label, I can see where it is and I can get it out. So that's the goal today.
But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me for a pass out. I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy and you don't.
I haven't really organised this fridge at all, so even the door where they've got the eggs and where I've got the butter container and the cheese, I haven't kind of thought too much about that. At the moment, we don't even really put the eggs in the egg container. It's just had the cream cheese sitting on it. So I'm going to try putting the eggs in and using that for what its purpose is and see if that makes a difference with keeping things organised. Because I've already noticed, I'm doing this voiceover a couple of days later, it is so easy to just open the fridge, grab 2 eggs for what I was making carrot muffins, and then shut the door. And I've shared those carrot muffins before in a snack video. It was just so simple and easy to do rather than getting out the whole container of eggs. So that's something that I just haven't been doing, that I'm changing, and it's already making life easier. So I'm just going to finish off cleaning the fridge before the groceries arrive.
Save me for a pass out. I'm too lonely to be done. I'm a drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy and you don't. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. Made this way, but why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me for a pass out. I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace.
So the grocery man was a little bit late today. We're in the 5 to 8 o'clock slot, and he came back 8:15. So I've got this done and it was good actually because I managed to get the fridge completely clean as well as breakfast and, you know, all the busyness of the morning. All right, I'm back. Sorry, my phone was just ringing. Okay, so the total for the groceries today was $147.57, and I was able to use a coupon code from last week, which was $15.24. So this month I've been quite strict about $600 for the month. That is it. So I aim for $150 per week. I just found I wasn't really being that accurate. So this month, at the start of the month, I bought 2 gift cards. I bought one for $500 and one for $100. And that is the money for the month for groceries. So it's a bit like the envelope system for budgeting. You only have that exact amount for your groceries. So we'll see how we go this month. I did buy 2 packets of sausages because spring has sprung here. On Father's Day, Dave actually did some barbecuing and it just smelled delicious, and we ate outside on the deck and it was just lovely. So I want to keep doing that. So I grabbed some sausages and I grabbed some frozen stir-fry veggies because we were all out of that. And as you know, I love doing them in curries. So I just grabbed a few extra things for the freezer. So this week on the meal plan, we have got, Dave is doing Vietnamese chicken rolls, which I've shared before in my What's for Dinner video, which I'll link down below for you. And he's doing meatballs. And I am going to be doing chicken schnitzel, chicken parmas, and vegetarian nachos. So that's what we've got for the week. I'll show you through the groceries. Okay, so starting right at the back, I've got 3 litres of full cream milk, and as well as some long life. We're currently using our long life milk at the moment because we ran out of the full cream milk. Then I got some extreme cheese tortillas. Oh, I always say that wrong, people correct me. Tortilla, if not, just correct me. Okay, I think that's right. People say you don't pronounce the L, Ali. So tortillas, there we go. Then we've got some mozzarella cheese. I actually use this for a snack as well as for on top of the parmas. Then I got 1.2 kilos of chicken breast. So that's going to be for the schnitzel as well as the parmas. And then when I was getting the long life milk, I saw this whipping cream and I thought, oh, I'll give that a try, because a lot of dishes I'm making at the moment, so the creamy pasta, chicken pasta, as well as the Swedish meatballs, they require whipping cream, and sometimes I just don't have it. So I'm going to give that a try. I'll let you know what I think. I'll actually link it below in the description box. Actually, I do have exciting news. Woolworths accepted me into their affiliate marketing program. So I'll just link a few of the special items down below if you want to click through to them. There's certain conditions and whatever else. It doesn't cost you more. They just pay me a small percentage if it qualifies as one of their purchases. They've got plenty of rules there. Okay, back to this. Then we got some more cheese, got some bacon, for bacon and eggs, as well as I'm doing fried rice, butter with all the muffins, with those snack videos I've been sharing. We've been using a lot of butter, so I topped up on that. This week I'm actually going to be making some little raspberry cheesecakes. So I've got the sour cream for that, as well as the cream cheese. It's a recipe I got from a work colleague. She bought the mini cheesecakes into work and it was just so popular and I love them. And so I've done them since and frozen them, and they worked really well. So I'm gonna do that again. Got some yogurt. We're gonna have the yogurt fresh, as well as I'm gonna freeze some. I've actually bought these zipsicles, is what they're called, and they're reusable, you know, like the Zupa Duper or Ice Pop tubing. So that's on its way. But you know what postage is like at the moment? It is taking forever, especially because we live in Victoria. Then I've got some wholemeal plain flour. So when I did the zucchini slice, which I shared in my last video, I used the wholemeal plain flour instead of plain flour. It was actually more filling for everyone than just the plain white flour. So I got some more of that, and Dave really likes to use them in the muffins he makes. And then bread wise, I've got our standard whole grain as well as rye. This is isolation life for you. Dave decided it'd be nice for a change. So he's been having the dark rye just to change it up a bit. Then coffees, mine are 50% off at the moment. I did have 4 in the cart, but by the time I got to the checkout, I took some out and bought some other things. that's what I really like about shopping online. You can just see how much things are going to cost and just take things out if you want to. Then Dave bought 2 of these real whole egg mayonnaise, and that'll be for the Vietnamese rolls. Now you'll notice we actually don't have the rolls here. That's because today's Wednesday and Dave's making that meal on Monday, so there's no way we're going to get those bread rolls now. We'll just have to go down the shops and grab some. Dave grabbed 2 packets of this spaghetti. I think it's 80 cents, which is awesome for his meatballs. Got some more of these crackers for cheese and crackers, which Dave and I often have when the kids go to bed at night. Then these are the sausages that I grabbed, like I said, 2 for $10. Eggs, we are all out of eggs, so I wanted to get 3 dozen, but in Victoria we've got limits on the amount of eggs we can get, so I could only get the 2. And then Dave got this classic tomato with basil. That's going to be for the meatballs as well. I grabbed this tin of tomatoes. This is from Italy. I couldn't actually find anything that was Australian, and it was 80 cents or something, and I'm going to be using that for the vegetarian nachos. And then this actually said it was a new product, which is panko breadcrumbs. And look at this, 100% made in Australia from Australian ingredients. So good on you, Woolworths, that's great. So I grabbed those. Then the butternut snack cookies, they are for the cheesecakes. Then I got some frozen raspberries for the raspberry cheesecakes. Stir fry veggies, like I said, we love this packet. I think it's a really great price for 850 grams. Dim Sims were on special, so we grabbed them. Mandarins, we get the odd bunch, which are misshapen, but they're delicious, so we haven't had a problem. Bananas, I got the max amount of bananas that I could get, so I grabbed 10 of those. Strawberries were still on special for $1.50, so I grabbed 3 of them. So that's so affordable, and I really want to make some strawberry ice pops with the zipsicles I was just talking about, so hopefully they come soon. Then I grabbed some Lebanese cucumbers for a snack. Carrots, I'm going to be doing some carrot muffins today, which I've shared in a previous snack video. So yeah, that's what I got for all that. So there's the groceries, better put them away. So all the groceries I've put away now. So I just grabbed out this label maker. You have seen this in so many of my organising videos because I just use it. I picked it up at a back to school sale a few years ago, and it's been fantastic. And I've just labelled all the areas. Like I said, I've got a label there for leftover meals. So everything goes in that column so we know where to look. We're not looking around the fridge, and it's just easy. Like, I'm not sure why I hadn't thought to put labels in the fridge, because you open the door and you don't have to think, you just read the labels. I've just gone with the labels to start off with. If I need to get containers, that's what you see in a lot of fridge organisations, is putting a lot of items in the containers. But I'm just going to try like this first and see if I need it or not, because like I said, we try and clear out most of our food each week. We don't have a lot of carryover, so I'm just going to try this and see how it goes. I was really stoked actually that the yogurt fits here. This yogurt container has actually recently changed. It used to be like a cylinder, but now it's like this, so it actually fits perfectly in this shelf, whereas before it used to have to go up where the beers were. So that's a bit of a blessing there. Alrighty guys, well, I hope to organise the freezer next, so subscribe if you're not already. Why not stick around and watch another video? I will link my tips for using Woolworths online if you want to know how to do that. So I'll link that video here for you. And here's a few other grocery hauls as well if you want to go check those out. Thanks for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye.